So I've been getting a lot of questions lately on our blow motor videos and blow motor resistor videos with the cooler, months coming up. It's cold out there right now. We live, up here in New England, and it's full blown winter time. So, and I'm in this as well. I just replaced the blow motor on one of my expeditions the other day, and these things are just built like garbage. I keep saying it. All these aftermarket parts are horrendous right now. But I've been getting some questions peppered in on the channel, and some of you guys are asking, hey, my blower motor stopped working, and I put a new one in, I hooked up the harness, and the new one is working intermittently. Like the new one might kick on or off if you jiggle the wire underneath. So 9 times out of 10 what's happening is if you take the wire, the pigtail end off of the blower motor, take a look at it and see if like one of the pins inside is burnt. If it is, usually what you got to do is, or what you should do is replace that pigtail end. You can buy most of them on Amazon. I've bought them on Amazon, or you can go to your dealership. Usually they'll have one that they can either get or order for you. Just give them your VIN number. This is pretty common on the expeditions, but it happens on all vehicles across the board, and it's a common thing that happens to any vehicle, especially as they age. So what I like to do as I replace the pigtail ends is that take a picture of the stock one first, so you know where the wires are going, and then get yourself some butt connectors that you heat up with a gun, and they'll kind of melt and solder themselves together. Those are the kind that I like because you can't pull the wires out of there once everything's all vulcanized in that casing. It makes for a nice connection. So what you gotta do is do one wire at a time. I usually don't take and cut the whole end off. It's just so you can kind of match up the wires, especially if you have a few wires going on. If it's only like 2 or 3, you'll probably be okay. But that's the method that I like to use, so you don't mix the wires up, and then take your time with it. Connect them together. I usually like I said, use a couple of butt connectors. They're easy to use. If you get the ones that you heat up with a heat gun and you crimp, they'll work good and they'll make a nice strong connection for you. And then when you've done that, plug it back into the blow motor resistor, and you should be okay. And so that hopefully that'll help you guys out. That's a common thing to have happen. A lot of times when the blow motor resistor goes bad, it'll heat up that plug end and it'll melt one of the pins in there. I had a Jeep Grand Cherokee, like an 04, do that, and it melted. The whole plug was almost melted. It was pretty bad. And the 97 Grand Cherokee is known for it. It actually had a Honda Accent, and that one was bad too. It was kind of a pain finding that pigtail end, but I ended up finding one on the internet that matched up, and I fixed that one as well. I've got a video on that one too. But it's a pretty common repair. As I said, as your vehicle ages, this is something that's kind of common to happen on any vehicle. So just wanted to do a quick video of it and kind of tell you guys how to approach this one if you're kind of stuck and scratching your head. And it's not that hard to do. If you guys have any questions about it, drop a comment. I will reply right back to you. Thanks so much for watching the channel. I love having you guys out here. If you find any tips or anything, drop it in the comment, and we can help everybody out on the board. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.